What's up, y'all? Back with another video, and the first video of 2020, baby. You're supposed to be excited.
Oh man!
First video of 2020, man. Cooking it off. Wait, what did I say? Cracking it off with another cooking video with the beautiful
Ciara, say my name.
You're supposed to say it.
No, you're supposed to say it.
With the beautiful Ciara.
There we go.
All right. And today we're gonna be making an Oreo cheesecake. I never had one, but
I have.
yeah. So I'm gonna let Ciara just announce the ingredients and all that good stuff. So.
But you know, when you see this kitchen, we finna get the whipping. So let's jump in. Starting off, we got, of course, Kebler's Ready Crust Graham Pie Crust. You can go smaller than this. This is just thicker crust if you want more crust. I like more crust. The other one's too thin for me. Then, of course, you got the Oreos. You need the Oreos for an Oreo cheesecake. Then you got the vanilla flavor, and then make sure you have powdered sugar, not the other sugar, because if not, you gotta make that other sugar into powder. Just put it in a freaking blender and then blend it up. Make sure it's refrigerated, but Philly cheesecake filling, main ingredient.
So let me tell y'all, before we cut the camera on, she did put that in the pantry. So yeah, make sure you put it in the freezer.
You exposing me.
Refrigerator, or let me see.
Keep refrigerated.
It's supposed
right
to be
there, look.
Yep.
Keep refrigerated. So keep that thing refrigerated.
Yep. So without further ado, let's get the cracking.
Your cookies, since you want the cookies to be inside the cheesecake, you don't want to just put the whole cookie in there. That's not, no way in the heck does that sound smart. So you want to cut the cookies into 4, so like so. 1, 2, turn it, 3, 4. Doesn't have to be pretty. Ain't nobody stressing no darn perfection. Just as long as it gets good. And you're going to continue doing that for a whole sleeve and maybe a half, depending on how much cookie you want in the actual middle. And then you will do something different for the top. That looks about enough in the middle. We can let Josh be the determinant of that, the decision maker.
I mean, y'all move straight smooth.
And key thing when you're if you want to fold it or you want to crunch it up. If you want to crunch it up, it doesn't really matter how you stir it. But if you want the cookies to stay like those 4s, whatever you cut or whatever, then you would actually fold it. That way you wouldn't be destroying the cookies. But I frankly don't care, so I just do so. What I'm gonna do is take that little thingy off. Make sure the little sticky, I don't know what they call these things, but make sure it's taken off. Because you're actually going to be putting, this is the top for the cheesecake, so you are going to be turning this around and it's going to be facing the actual cheesecake. And just lift all the aluminum foil sides up. Take that top out. And then it's time for the skirting. And so, whoa! Then you just kind of want to smooth it out. Now, if you do use the smaller one, this will kind of rise above the actual crust. Oh, my bad, cameraman. Knocked you out. Like so. Ta-da! So for the topping, we can go either way with it. Okay, this is what I need. Excuse my height.
Don't fall.
No, I'm not. So for the topping, you can either leave it like this or you can separate the Oreos and just put it however you want to. But my personal favorite, so I just have a taste of the actual Oreo crust on top along with the other Oreos in the cake. Again, we're gonna chop these up into fours.
I was gonna say sprinkle them on top.
I mean, I guess you could do that too. And so that the Oreos are actually like a powdered dust, kind of like the sugar that we use. We're gonna blend it. Maybe just a little more. Kind of just sprinkle it. Look at there you come out.
That was great.
It does not have to be perfect. Oh, put that in there, Mr. Sir. Can't go get away. You want more, you are more than welcome to do that last process once again, but it's not crucial to making it taste correctly. And then just do as so. Up. And voila. Then put that in thy fridge. Oh wow. Excuse the refrigerator. Maybe up to about 10-15 minutes. Just well enough for everything to marinate in each other, soak everything up, and become cold. And we'll be back. Alright y'all, so there was a lot of things that happened throughout that break. So I can't tell you how long we actually left this in the refrigerator / freezer.
So what's like the approximate time you would say that you're supposed to be doing?
I would say if you want it cold and for all of it to be cold, I would say give it about 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Freezer or refrigerator?
Whatever you prefer.
Whatever you prefer.
Because I would not say. What?
How you gonna cut it? Like?
I think I'm just gonna cut it.
Alright, cool.
Start cutting it in the middle. Right here.
Crunchy.
Want a big piece?
Not a big piece. Half of a half. Well, half of a half, which is. So that's a fourth. I just want to point out these fancy plates they got imported from Spain. I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh man.
These things are fancy. Alright
I
guys.
don't know what we've all been waiting for.
Yep.
Mine just fell
That's
apart.
crunch. It's a good crunch. At
Yeah.
the bottom.
That's that
It's
crust.
nice crunch at the bottom. Then you got the creaminess. Then you got the Oreo. And more crunch. But if y'all want the creaminess to be more like I don't know, solid,
Freezer.
freezer. Instead of freezer.
Because it is kind of falling apart. So
do.
if you want it to stick together more, freezer.
For longer, I'll say probably 30 minutes. Or 35. I don't know how long we had it in there though. But
Me neither. We got to clean it. What else we do? Cleaned up. Reset.
Yeah, reset up.
Let the battery charge.
Yep.
We done did it all.
Yep.
The heavens. Cake for breakfast.
Oh, yeah. It's 12 o'clock. Eat your breakfast.
Make you want to do a little dance.
I ain't gonna lie. Got my energy up.
Jiggy with it, man.
Yeah, jiggy with it. Man, I'm almost done. Slow down so I can savor the flavor. Savor that thing. Hey, man. We did our thing. It really you to me, but
It's alright.
you know. This is our second cooking video. Really our first. We're gonna say it's our first.
Yeah, that other one. We was all over the place.
It was.
But it was funny.
Yeah. It was.
But no, for real, make sure y'all go check that out. Cooking with the Game. Just look that up. You'll get a laugh. I don't know what he's trying to say, but he's showing. Oh, you gonna put it in the washer? You know how to do that? No, you don't.
Put it on the screen.
You think? I thought you meant like if you click it, it's like a.
Oh, what?
That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know.
Oh, you talking about just putting the title?
No, I meant like putting the actual that video, putting it on the screen of this one. Why you said it?
So like it'll play like a little clip.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nope.
That might be a little too much. I don't know.
I like the autograph.
I just can't get over these fancy plates. Are they bowls or plates? Or is it a blade? Or a pole?
A bowl?
Don't drop your
Hey man,
Philly cheesecake.
it's made in Indonesia.
Huh?
Indonesia. Dishwasher and microwave safe. Let me reassure you. Don't get it twisted. Not just for show.
Y'all, typically, I don't eat full slices of cheesecake. But you did your thing.
Damn.
A normal cheesecake from like a restaurant, I eat probably like 2 bites. Like I'm full.
Just 2 bites?
Or like 2 or 3 bites. I'm gonna be full.
Oh.
We can't have everybody talking like that. Yeah. Man, oh man.
You're goofy.
So while we eating this, man, y'all comment below what y'all want us to cook next. We already got it lined up, what we're gonna do next, but we want to hear y'all opinions too. So
Yeah, that way y'all can see more of me in the kitchen. Because we'll be whipping.
In the kitchen.
All 2020.
Oh yeah. We don't know if we should do like one every month. Maybe that's not enough. Because it's 30 days of the month.
Yeah, some.
Maybe twice a month, but then that's really like one every, 2 weeks? Or another week, whatever. And then 3 might be too much at the same time. Because I don't want to run out of ideas. Like, you know.
Yeah. But then it's like if we just do one every month, we'll only have to do 12 ideas.
Which is also true. We should just double it up for my viewers. 24 for the whole year.
Mm-hmm.
Ciara finished, as you can see. I'm getting a little full.
It's alright. It is bigger than normal.
Yeah.
Because, like, if you were to get the smaller one that I was talking about, the what's-it-calls would have been a little bit thinner and smaller. But, hey, I haven't eaten since, what? Yesterday morning. I made me a taco bowl.
You was waiting on me.
Yep. There go that phone again.
Well, I was gonna say, I was gonna acknowledge Ciara phone been dinging this whole episode. Like, I done had my phone on silent. I
forgot to turn it on silent after we
it's too late now. It is too late now. Everybody knows.
Sorry.
Ding, ding, cling, cling, cling. Like, dang.
Oh, man. Sorry, y'all.
Cook that thing off.
Shoot, y'all ain't worried about no ding, dinging, bling, blinging.
Man. I ain't noticed it the first time watching the replay.
Yeah. And then every time we restarted a clip,
Man.
ding, I said, dang, that is my phone. Dang.
So I got one bite left. And the last bite of 2020. No, it's 2019.
You good over there?
Let's go.
Oh, man. That was good. So?
I'm good. I'm good for the day.
Nah, I gotta save some room for some seafood tonight, man.
Yeah.
Well,
Who you going with? Because I know Ciara's allergic.
Jada. Yeah, I'm gonna call it in. Cause
That's a good idea.
I don't feel like sitting there for 2 to 3 hours. They got some good blue and red Kool-Aid. I don't even know the flavors because it don't taste like the normal flavor. So it's blue and red today.
Like together or separate?
Separate.
Oh, thank you. I don't like blue Kool-Aid. And depending on what kind of red, because sometimes it be strawberry or cherry. I'm like, yuck.
Yuck.
Get
One
that thing
like
back. They bring it out. Take that thing back.
Oh!
Man, that.
I'll spit it back in there. There you go. But we're coming to the end, y'all.
Yep.
Got our bellies full, so.
Oh, for sure. It's been another installment of Cooking with. We gotta name this show.
I don't know.
Y'all comment below the name of this show, or we'll just, I don't know. I'll just put the title and then featuring Ciara.
Yeah.
Till we come up with a name. But this is another installment of whatever this is. And,
another segment.
Alright. This is a beautiful Oreo cheesecake. It was pretty good. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, you have anything to say?
Follow us on social media
Oh, yeah.
if you don't already do that.
It's gonna be on your screens.
Yeah.
Nope.
So,
So,
y'all, man, stay up, stay strong. Get right to get left.